98.7. Techima SOMPA 106.1. Sunyana SOMPA 98.9. Doma FM Doma Hinkro 100.7. Kingdom 106.1 FM Mankasim. Decoder Subabia Radio on SOMPA FM. Your Facebook page, SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Live. And a YouTube so yes SOMPA FM Live. Ubenya yewo. Your website www.sompaonline.com. Kanesh Urban Radio wamuso afa amuni eko nakrana intibra na eni yenso so enko ebra woko ye YouTube ye SOMPA FM Live no anase ye Facebook page na ye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Live ehon so no ye wo live wo a wo betimi ne yen akọ nakrana Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic Dr. Duke Watson ye Endpoint ede ma wo yare ye bia no woton safra wo sebra na won hyew wo komase wo kronoma boahia enna enkran shell signboard spinters maybe a flower shell signboard and a spinters okwan so enna tema community 22 ene wo ye free health screening ede ama ememma nyina anti eye Father's Day no obetimi akọ ne branch ni nyina wo komase a na akokoro no maboahia wo ye bema akọ ne enko hye wo prostrate ne enhye wo mpom de ma wontua kapre wontua dama enna wo nkran han so na akọ shell signboard spinters okwan so enna tema community 22 so free health screening no ko na Father's Day no wo celebrate no so do ho ahyem bi kasa natural mineral water abuju ensuo krochi a wono mu a wonipadua no wanya na bro waye ne ye Hajia special local foods die aduane pa no wonya kwatenten wo mu na ebo ye chidom am ye de prem to brekase bo no asommo ensema ye de esommo awiei de di makotene no ebi ne
Arewo sabiasi ewo nkwanta south kropon mu wote mantemo nam so amane pamiensa won motina nanu
Onenya for Hana Drusus when you're sure my Ghana and Womesia Honsam so Sikabotini a get fan. A Jumakui at the Abua and Womesian or the Munsamatuja.
Edom kuma womra shebedwum edia de sedia to aban nim sesi kan wode ye 24-hour market no one tam na agenda 111 project no a ye nwie no ni nyina nso yo man ne dia wonko no wonko to so
na Ghana de shebin mu a one mo gente tie wo UK abrochime mu no mkita scholarship one mo kyerasa Ghana ya namsifo a one mo UK abro one mo nipa binum na emunsam etesei
Onyenyamfo Francis Asanso Buache eye bantamamra shebedwani wakasa kirem abandada no sikabotini a wode chef flood management mu
Education Minister Naso Swafo Hwe Womasua so ye Honorable Haruna Idrisu wasi aban ne gogo di dwumadi serebe ye local language no ye betimi di bi akoso
on monyamfo Canada kompre kwa Japan na to bredwai wase wode mani MPP for za hwa ma obia fra mo fa men ntomadan ya no anya sadia de besie no anya senketoa
Transparency International Defense and Security impending for kasa chiremu se the friend gender equality no se ye pese ye tackle corruption ye padia ya ho asampa pebinka
National Food Buffer Stock Company say ye pese ye nuane ne yetimi de bisie na gina na so a ye hie sika be 1.5 billion ansana yetimi ayenisa
sanso na deputy minority leader Mama Patricia Piagyei enso ba mane wasa pension honsansam saban no antie ni no anfa hwa dache ye bedie dokono kwa
abusia ye beko obi my so na US and afa Iran mpanimfo wanum hia se enkaja wombo kwakohia awa Switzerland ni nyina aye dealia wanum pese wamodu wamonsa ehwase na bibia ekoye enso ye kiremu so wama suspend eye die ensemu ntia
ensempi kan we no ho ne de somo sakase body afri SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra yeni aye be kasebo ya mama wiei eye me die nyame ehira no AKOSUA ABOAGYE ubetimi so afra me AKOSUA nhira me ne me adult children
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA KWODIE buaten ena
ABENA ADEPA KWOFIE
After Yanjabana and some no yenchechumu. Yakwakosha said your few domino won quanta south croponium or otimantamo. Our was some wayansa a carefree one nabusia and yadakura. Ninani say a 2 akasa, a manipa makuma kudum yenu and a crabo akan wamua, a mumiansa, one more every mo. Na enkuno akano, a doctor for a bomb and yes a baby a womodano. Yamankuan a bet me charge womusan sababy a crab one a cayano, and no adding ye pa. Na woman for your temper. Watch them say a bribi. One more one cabin, Shamuno Musa, and Marantia Kentana one beard munie. Now one more banoki 2 and second year. Chase wo wafo mu kura na won matro no mabetwitwawo ya de na ekoso odom ho no na ani enyan na enipa makoma mienu ene tuo ne nsekan no a wom tototo ye no eka wom abusua yode achi wo Facebook no so no momre aya SOMPA Accra 106.5 SOMPA Accra 106.5 YouTube no so ye namu arewosam no a asie no ane ehunu se nipa bodompemu a aposifo ka si wona fei asrafo dom enso gina wono mo a wono hwe na wono maye bi ede aboayi na womafo no kire se ebra won bedi awurukasam no wie no na womu nim se bi a womu ya akronfo kora na so ba womu afa hwe womu bekunkum manfo wie yi a won preprade hye wie ya pe na horom wo ti do womu na ekoro no bepem ne womu hunu safo na kira kwan baabi a womu fre baabi a womu tie eni nipa ko a wosoma a womu se womu bedi se awurukasam wo no enya de a womu ehunu aka wo bi ama bombofo dom ena won makwakogu sa wodom won mo a won mo hwe aye bia boase ne be ya bambom nsam ebetumi ayeye anam so ama oti original House of Chiefs Nanan mayemfo bedwokuo won mo temantamu ade abase won mapaw baso abedwokuo ya anani kine yada ahensam mansoche eduruma bi yesode ewo kroponi mu no won betumi ahwe na fei won mo sisisia no amano ayeye ebiem won mo asanso ahwe se sa baso abedwokuo no won mate no won mo ne mpanyimfo a won ka bie wom abetena se ebe ne bambo adwumekuo na won mo hwe se enioma hodo ye hurukasam mu a eduruma bi e man muso a wo temantamu na ase ate akoda na ema bambo mu nsam ntumi nyina so adesuafo ko school na won musuro no sade ne nyina da etuo betumi etwa na mane boyi ya mane boni ya woto yankra efi woti mantamu na naken ana edebesom ye
abusia yeto asam no eso na enwumasua mu nsam ene yede eto aso na oswani a wono washo my Ghana yenwumasua ho nsam so yonunyafo ha na drusu wakasa akyeremu se de get fund adwumakwei ebo ne ho modene ewo wo so akache no enya asem ketua wonom ehyanhyambo pa na wase wo mo akeka niema asiani ehu se ewo se 2027 afimpi no ni adwonu enson ya enche yebekwa kwawuramu no sika ewo se wonom atimidi behye nti Ghana Education Trust Fund ya ye chanti ya efra wom get fund no wamo allocate 10 million Ghana cedis ena de akwa kwahye na sa 10 million Ghana cedis no tertiary institution bia ebenya bia no wanom ehwe animu ase ebetumi aboa ama bibia akoso 100 million ena ja wanom kiremu se won becheche e de ama tertiary institution bia womrahye bedwam se de ne onunyafo ha na druso ekiremu no say netie.
But the credit of the present government of President Mahama is uncapping Get Fund. Under the previous administration, you capped it. So Get Fund never got enough allocation of what it deserved under its 2.5% VAT rate. So subsequent to the uncapping is a major policy decision of President Mahama that in order that academic calendars are not disrupted for lack of food, lack of payment for it, essential perishable, I want to use Get Fund now to finance feeding under the free senior high school program. That is our government decision and that we are implementing. So Mr. Speaker, there is no shortage of food anywhere in any secondary school across the country, but it comes at a price and cost to the mandate of Get Fund to provide for infrastructure, and the focus, as you will recall in our struggle, was to complement, not supplement, government financing of education. But Mr. Speaker, we want to have free secondary education in Ghana, and therefore we should be able to bear its financial burden. What I have advised again, and best practice everywhere in the world, is for government to invest more.
Na etumi aboa my Ghana ama nwumasua no so etumi agira brane oswafo a wono washo my Ghana yenwumasua ho samso nyafo ha na druso wo mrahye bedwam ena ode sansem tu dwama yensem training na no pon checheku eto som yen
Yeda so enwomasua ho nsansam na Education Minister Honorable Haruna Idrusu say oman nwomasua no yepesa mansan nyina yeko internet sino computer hodo so a yebetimi anya bibia kamenti wo ne Google fo edinkita ho na ye de local language na se kasa ne bia wowom etie ne yese bia mathematics na opese wo hu no twi mu a anase gamu anase ewemu a wonko no na eda ho ebiti se science technology ene ade nyina no yepese yede efa ho industry yede fa ho we ya na moto bi omo ne Google fo aka omo agye atum sampa o metimi abo man ne ye local language sa je kwa Chinese fo mu de egu ho ene ade India fo de ene ade nyina German fo de nyina egu nti e wo mu se Ghana ayi oman ba ko ye kasa na dodo wo kika bibi ma de ebo mu kura de ene eno kura de ene anya asam ketwa kuro ba ko ye kasa buru aduanan enso obekọ China or Chinese obi a na no an obi e ka etie de bi before de ya na ye ho ahomete nanso no Google so ombeboa ye na yetimi de local languages no atoto ho ankwada na betimi ahweso na omatimi de asua de Honorable Haruna Idrisu.
Investment in digital education. I've said that we have to revise curriculum. I'm sure the young learners here would have loved to have tablets so that they themselves can begin to use it and learn with it. As a country, we need to invest more on digital education infrastructure. There are many schools in Ghana which are not even connected to electricity, let alone connected to the internet. How are you going to have access? But technology have improved, and there is now what we call offline grades of some of these tablets. They don't need electricity connectivity. They may be able to do it. We have just signed a memorandum of understanding with Google, which was narrowed to language, mother tongue language, and I asked Google to expand it to the 12th official language. That they are working very closely with the University of Ghana and the University of Science and Technology in expanding investment on AI-related technology to facilitate digital learning. So, Mr. Speaker, we'll do our best within the constraints of budget. I thank you.
We Honorable Haruna Idrisu eyo swafo wo hwe ngomesua so no ne kasa ya so mpaka se body asomo ewie.
I was so yet one some so na anano Jordan ye bo amaniese woko UK abochimemu wa London Ghana de hye binu nipa besensia won mo gentete wo hono mo no Ghana ban na aso won mo senema wo scholarship ha wo mo adesua de na adesuafo no ha wo nyina no ayese besen finhia mienu ni wo school fees aban ni ntwiai enti ama adesua no kora ne ho nsensam no akwakwa bibie wo nti won ba be yo ye kire ade atia Ghana aban na wo ye kire ni mo yi na no joada won mo ye no ene ye nka bi nhyiam ye hono mo ya wo mo boso mpapunum adai a wo mo se yakwaburu wo mo yakwhwe won na wo mo na aburu wo mo mo se Ghana High Commission adwumafo na wo mo London ho no na akwaburu wo mo borotorofo achese nyansem keto ma na wo mo boni a wo mo ye ne se wo mo de ka school fees na fe wo mo da Ghana banka na empanyifo ba buru wo mo na nka enkonkwa ya boroforo kra na amuru wo mo na Ghana fo ntwanye wo mo Ghana fo no ankasa eni esi bam wo mo obi man so dia ene na anu odin pa na convener ede manipa makoma nsian a wo maka mo abom yo ye kire na nso ya buru bie owura no wa kra wono ne so mpaka se kasa ya wo chechem se ne ya buru ne koyi
16th of June 2026, we, the 6 students in Loughborough, embarked on the protest. But actually, 4 of us were able to join the protest. Yes, because after we have engaged the authorities of the scholarship secretariat and there was no resolution, we decided to protest. So we went there. We started at 12 p.m. Peaceful demonstration, like it wasn't a protest session. So we stood there for about 4 hours, and the surprising part is that none of the authorities at the Ghana High Commission in London engaged us officially. So 2 of my colleagues decided to go inside, though initially I advised them to stay back because we were expecting either the Ghana High Commissioner or the head of Chancery to even come to engage us so that if we have a petition, we can send it to him. They went, they followed all the protocols there and they were led to the waiting room. So what happened the next minute was Her Excellency Sabazita Benson and one Bridget Bonnie at the Ghana High Commission came down from their office. They started verbal abuse on my colleague that using words like "nkwakiafo." You know what that word means?
I was not just no yakwabro womo ebra womo yo ye kire wo London an se no wakra ya wodi edom no animu no na woni ye twetwe nkomo yi
Jumedie bi AKOSUA na no no eye krosini na afa nkronkoma mo akrachefo a wono musisi aban ne mo meche MMDCs na ni nyina efa capacity building workshop ho na jumedie na se no mpanimfo a wo madwema bobe na wo mhia ya wo kasase enka ne suani a no no ehye yafe adansie ane nnwuma ehon samso ewo mayimo no onanyafo Francis asenso buache batma mra hye bedwani no batma brante okasa wadwumade na se bi na ase no ose aban eye niema bi ewo sede wo mo fa so e manage ensuyiri ano no ewo mem kankan de won kran no ho a wonte ase wo se ndc amaba ye asade wo mo de wo mo sane na ho wada saa wo kan susudua na watu sie watu mire akire sie sem aban dada no meche o mampani dada na nadoda kwakufu ado aban efinsia nwatwe a won mo tena so no Wamu di sika ne buosom 540 million Ghana cedis. Ena edi share nsuyiri afibia ya na fa de share. Ewo mayim no ho. Wase wei enka de ahia ne se ndc amanyoko no. Wamu betretrem na se kakra waso wamu de ka ho no wamu so di aka ho. Na so ka me asa afi no wamu so hye bibia foforo kora. Asa de abandada no anya hwe. Said na onunya for Francis asanso boache echemu no ekoye eni.
In the 8 years of the KWOFIE administration, the government committed 450 million towards flood control program. Many of these interventions were about improving the capacity of the drainage infrastructure. I'm urging this government to continue on that path because it is necessary. But the critical part has to do with regulatory measures and strictly adhering to settlement planning schemes. Assemblies are approving permits on waterways, and you all know the effect of that. Sometimes we wait for the building to be finished. People are living in them before some politicians will find the need to go and demolish them. We have to demolish them if it's necessary, but we should not wait till structures to be completed and people are living them. That's when we demolish these structures.
Onyonya for Francis asenso boache bantama emra shebedwani enkane no yeswani ya na wo hwannuma na fadansie ho ensem so no de sansem nyina etudwa ewadwabo no ase no chairperson ya wo no eba ne local government and rural development committee no a wati so bie ewo mra shebedwafie ma me Questa poku asowa wono so ekasa kakra no no ne nsem nyina no obo ne tofa kire mu se aban no amenebuo anumusu agusu nkankan enkran nsu yiri no wanu yehu bibia wono so okasase a enawie yadane akyi edi asommo
Meka wo se endpoint homeopathy clinic prem to brekasebo ena wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM akra kasa natural mineral water ne hagia special local foods nso eje ne ntata edom kuma ewo mrahye bedwam wo ma kye wo ma dwene de afa ne ma ekoso ewo Ghana ha wo ma de sede wo de ato aban yanim se aban so 24-hour economy market ena odisika ewurem wo ma na so ate se agenda 111 hospital project no a o mampanyi dada na nado dan kwakufu ado ehya ase ne no so ye Ghana dia eti se sika na wo de 24-hour market no wo ntam sika no no wo fa nko wie project na yenwie ye ne se be ya yeresabia no ye benya bebre ne ye de asom oman no na 24-hour economy no wo wie agenda 111 hospital project ni wia na afi wo beto aso fi nyina eye oman ne sika na ebru adwumadie bi koso no ye nkyerkyere de ama metropolitan municipal and district chief executives e won kran ha no and ranking member on the committee ora Francis and also honorable Francis Asenso Boache ebo amane se district ahodo no bebre no a wo market kura wo mu nyusu eti eden na aban se me na ma me 24-hour market eti aban wo sidwa wo kwa ha me sidwa wo bra agenda 111 no hospital bebre gu ho a ye chance a aban betimi ato so won hwe no esisi market bebre wo Ghana ha ebi kura no edwede fon kotena ho.
As assembly members, as district assembly officials and political actors, you are supposed to build 24-hour markets. But I've realized that in many cases, in many districts, they do not really need a 24-hour markets because there are existing markets already, which are being underutilized. So I was asking the health minister whether he will make a case that in situations where you don't need this 24-hour market, can we invest the money in other areas, which will certainly include the provision of healthcare infrastructure like the Agenda 111.
Eni ye honorable Francis Asenso Boache wono ena kasa bantama mrahye bedwani no ranking member committee a wo mo ehye dwumadi ahodo de boa kropon ne mansi ne nkrasimpumtuo no ena kasa ye wo chemsa aban fasika no enkoboa agenda 111 ifise market bebre yesisi wo ho a edwanifo no kura wo mo hia
Onomonya for Canada wo hena Japan yemra bi atwa mu asan central mashebadwane no panyipai wasan so kogina isa delegate ntono so aba no meto frank amfama NPP amanyoko no naso so enioma anko amfama no na yewura yi na nsam trofo akasai wazawe one day na nko tene ba bi o ya wonka bi hyemu na ase NPP amanyoko no mabunu bi wo hono mo a Waria na wo mo ankasa pese wo mo twetwe nsemba ne Yewura Kennedy ne ho babebo mu na agya wonya bi kana so wono de anu ompene saa nazo se MPP for pese wo kan nsem de a ene ne wo beka pa wo se no sei ena no da for military hospital yi ho nsem ye gentle ha wo ma agya ne mu sa MPP aban betena so no wo senka wo mu wi a won manwi a wono koka bie no asem ba ko a wo kan ye ntinkofo na atwea pia ene wo de ne twiri ne sie anopa wie no mere se won mo ye no ane so mo ye no e wo NPP amanyoko no ze one yan dryness how and is a MPP for one month for fra and you only Yewura Kennedy akompra ko Japan so sansa wo de ba wo de besie nipa na wo ka de a kire MPP for say agenda 111 no se wo munimu a wo ka de a kire wo mo se no kura ho contract no e fa nkwanche baabi mo mane ne nkwanta wo baabi a wo no kura wanye na dwene so obeka na mom se mo boni prum a wo bebie ama de ni ho nyina da waka mo manfo ate
MPP for them ye better men ka bibi a chiro na omu fi say ni omu ye no e wo campaign me meye din they can shut me down Ghana for person omu tie ni ya omu say agenda 111 omu to be complete ba kurana omu ton contract no and ma other people at 10% Ghana me say agenda MPP for they should be careful with me say me ye better we are mess beans all over the place. Now, man, I catch you say, me my president, I mean, maybe free me sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not MPP. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom, Sabako Kromu, they sold obey contract now. Now I got home, watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticizing and this one.
Not as no abusia wey Yewura Kennedy akompra ko Japan no mrabia twemo central mrose bedwani
ya to ansam no so ne akoyanim ewo ensam foforo mu na ekwan ye ye befa so ne nyina ageta hyehye ne proye no ye betumi etu asienti na adwumadie ekoso na adwumadie yi eye Transparency International Defense and Security wamo panimfo na ja wanum ehia ya dwumadie wamo etu din eye 2025 Sub-Saharan African data set and African report. Na dwumadie wanum hia ya no wamu chem se e launching and a wanum launch ye Dr. Patrick Chebrobe a research project manager at the Government Defense Integrity Index GDI. Na penny akasa chremu say ye pesi ye tu corruption ase efiri wa my Ghana yeso afei abibre mu amanyina no yetimi etu ase a de ye friend gender equality no awase yetimi ehwemu yie ne yetimi edidi dwuma yie na enyiyimu ebia mini wei na ebo mini wei eka mini wei nka we do your band na asam kora na me afa anya hwe wasese yankoso na yanhwe ne yie na yanya sa gender equality no ene sa bias ne ma no ene de ka ho no a da bia ye behu ni sei a na mbom si ye hwe ne ye ne yie dia eno betimi aboa yen ema corruption no yetu ase.
You know, the government first announced that they were giving us 100 million. 100 million is just a drop in the ocean. But I'm happy because it's a beginning, you know, hasn't been done before. This is the first time we are doing a thing like that. And we need to hasten slowly, make sure we get all our warehouses, our issues, everything right before the big amounts come. And you know, last 2025, the Minister for Finance, Honorable Atufosen, announced that they were giving us further 200 million to continue the good work that we were doing. So in other words, so far we had only 300 million. And if we need to do proper, meaningful mopping up.
Abusia eneno edin sisa kakra yesre monfanche na yehwehwe owura Dr. Patrick Kwasi Brobe saneneno aba yentie no.
Eba asrafo ntumedi mu ne sanema na obehu se eba baby a policy making baby a yemra ene sanema na bebre touch. Share finance your security mu be touching share yene matoto ntse bia yekoto uniform yekoto etuo yekoto we no be touching you care about operations so mudumedi ankasa say ya so nko baby enko pattern to kwanisa ne mania be touching nti ya analyzing we nyina across Africa 17 countries Africa or my Marco 17 from Ghana, Nigeria, Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, Mozambique, Madagascar, ane yɛahwɛ mu ane yɛhu sɛ deɛ ɛbɛ bebree ma yɛnya ade koraa yɛahoɔden sɛ yɛbɛprevent anaasɛ yɛbɛbɔ
Openia wakasa ye aye Dr. Patrick Kwesi Brobe were research project manager at the Government Defense Integrity Index no. Jumedia one of the sheshwa wamutu din 2025 Sub-Saharan African data set and Africa report no ase and asansemi etumua. Nana opoche chiku yensem training edani echiri edebai.
Yet also na consem for so ye won National Food Buffer Stock Company wo mo buta ne same foodi a ye duane ade ne nya dodo no a o mbeje de agu aduane buso se bia tomero ananto su ye buso no mo de bia gu ho meko no mo de gu ho banche bode eti o mo stock nti o mo di ye National Food Buffer Stock Company wo mo se de betimi abo mo mo dwumade etumpon pa kese no wo mo hie sika be ye 1.5 billion Ghana cedis a wo metimi a reserve aduane ye de aduane besie na aboa o man afa ntoma pefra ye pese dache de efa ne aduane ho bambo efa ne food security no o man Ghana ejina bia o se afie atwa mu no finance minister Dr. Atoforsen de betu dwa se o mo 200 million Ghana cedis na wo mo de adwuma no se sika na nuru ba bia na wo sha se be 300 million Ghana cedis no e no mo nsaka eti Owura George Otu a wo no e na National Buffer Stock Company wo no ne opanyini a wo dan no kire mu se de bebuo mu yie pa ama wo manya nuane egu ho no e ye be 1.5 billion Ghana cedis.
You know, the government first announced that they were giving us 100 million. 100 million is just a drop in the ocean. But I'm happy because it's a beginning, you know, hasn't been done before. This is the first time we are doing a thing like that. And we need to hasten slowly, make sure we get all our warehouses, our issues, everything right before the big amounts come. And you know, last 2025, the Minister for Finance, Honorable Atoforsen, announced that they were giving us further 200 million to continue the good work that we were doing. So in other words, so far we had only 300 million. And if we need to do proper, meaningful mopping up of grains, excess grains, we need no less than 1.5 billion. So you can imagine what 300 million has done.
We ene da ho no ene ayeti ye eye Owura George Otu National Food Buffer Stock Company ene che mu sa ban se wo de 100 million Ghana cedis be kom ho de ne mom sika o mu hi o betimi edi dwuma yie pa no eye 1.5 billion Ghana cedis na se duane no o matimi di pi agu ho aboa o my Ghana empum to make say endpoint homeopathy clinic prem to break asebo ena utie no
I was so na deputy minority leader ono akoya sanso ye mrahye betwani e waso kwa bato mpaso so no nya for Patricia Prejin ma me ade atudwa ya watro se se wo hwemo pa no pension won sensem ma no yen shada fa yani enko so bia sa na so ha ye pa ya edinya wo so wonu ye ka se wonya finhia no aduoson na so woda so ye aduma na enan Ghana no obinya finhia na aduosia ye so okona ho megiem na nipa na kwakwa tanti ama enan nipa dodo wo mo tefia anka wo betumi aboabo anka kakra no ma nchiri ma na futuo na so omuda so ye aduma no safo ni nyina kwakwa tena fie di omu nimde no akwakwa tena fie ama dan nyina pension ho sensem eya hadwene ye pa na obasra sampanyifo amfa won mani ne won masontoto fom na won montena se enwene ho sane ye baya ye pension ho sensem wono enkonkofo ho kase dachi bi amato Ghana yeso.
Speaker, the reality on the ground remains troubling. Many elderly citizens still say, I am 70 and still work like myself. My pension does not come regularly. This reflects a system where pension incomes are inadequate, irregular, or delayed, forcing older Ghanaians to remain in the workforce under difficult conditions. The implications for our retirement and pension systems are now more urgent than before. First, pension funds face mounting pressure. The age dependency ratio stood at 65.36% in 2024, meaning roughly 65 dependents. We are talking about children and elderly for every 100 working age pension. While this is down from a peak of 106.6% in 1970.
And what you know, Mama Patricia Apijay afasa kwanyana so ebo seneta basu ye papa modern bosonkwa wo mo bo e wo maimu.
strengthen SNIT oversight and payment systems to ensure timely and adequate pensions. SNIT has not defaulted on pension payments in over 6 decades, and processing times have reduced from several weeks to under 10 working days. This momentum, as we sustain, expand social protection and health care for the elderly, especially in deprived and rural areas where family support is weakest. Accelerate pension enrollment in the formal sector. I acknowledge the self-employed enrollment drive, the SEED initiative launched by SNIT in Ghana to extend pension coverage to self.
I was a deputy minority leader. You were my Ghana more surgery. One more for Patricia, appear Jane, Amanboy, Yamanbonia, what you and Craffy or my surgery, and now Ponchiku, and Edebasum.
Abusia, o my Ghana, yate asemde, Ushemua, a bibremu, a minor. Said ye, Yampenin for a bamania, Hremu any. One say United Nations, one aqua to a babia. No, a diplomatic and legal, one more edibia, one mudia, na one more edumedia, one edino, one more aquacoyi, Dr. Sylvia, Ama Adusu. Wamra Neja, Omabua International Tribunal, no, na wamo a law of the sea, no, Jumedie and Koso a wafaho, and peninforce way a history pa, a sunset. Ushemu ewe bibremu a wono ene wo ba wodi kan ya nyankopon ayadom ama wamo akwakwa to aba yetumi ato aba de ama no United Nations wonu mu kiremu se womo ena womo hia United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea ena womo hia ya wonom eto aba edema Dr. Sylvia ama adusu empanimfo se ebra ya to aba ede amani ya wo ba beboa International Tribunal of the Law of the Sea dwumadie no bibia ekoyia obetwa mfinhia no makomakonkron e wasa dwumadie no esu enti afempinu ene aduonu ensia 2026 year wo sha adwumasi e wafa hweyi wode ne dwumadie nyina ebeba wieye afempinu ni aduasa enum 2025 esanse wono ane oba ye ne continent yi wodi kan ya wako di bra anti-senti empanimfo ani age Ghana fo ani age yenko ani ate asem de Africa nyina ya te asem de pa ya ye nyina ya bona baso na ye ma no hyeden ese adwumadi a ye de ma no no obetumi akokukodru na bibia etumi akoye ne sayo so nti ahye wonom ene wo mo hwe mba afei enkwada ene wasetena mu yedie ho ensam so ewo maimo no wo mo ade congratulations nsam ekọ ade ama Dr. Sylvia esa watimi akokode ne pa nyi obi a ene betumi akọ anim sa se wo hyase edi ne dwuma kra se judge ewo maimo no eche kwakra ansa na otie ne nanchi akọ obi ma so wakakodi ne dwuma ho no ma enei aso nyankopo ani aso te asefo ani se wo se yedi ne dini ekoka International Tribunal of Law of the Sea na ono so okoye adwuma eho enti ministry ni se wo mo emma no amo ene yo emoni yo na bibia mu no wo mo tai na chi esanse wati manim pa enti ne emade ye wo mu aye yen ene yetumu no futabra ba mansan nyina no yenoma no nti wakokopie mo hweyi won hwe se obeja good legacy edin papa ewo bia ho se de be ya china bi sa Ghana de hye bi opportunity ewo afa ho no mo a yenka se Dr. Sylvia Koraba ye no wa mba ya hwinti wo ye nto mfa mawo won hwe se wo be kokodene e china bi no se obi foforo firi Africa na sa Ghana ha na okọ bibi samu a yetumi nso atwa ne so ewo nwuma pa Dr. Sylvia ebeyeye emo
I was so yet to and some so now the Sub-Saharan African Data Set and African Report 2025 a pieja. Na ebra one more adeba na ebo mania atrechu musan ya bibiman ya bambo mun samya tnasia ya shahan amana ya to apiwe chire tememu fo kran punti minya gidie ewe mu ebiem na enei se kwaba se hu posini anase mpo sra ni obi a otete sa wo bambo adwuma ko mu a na yentimi enwane nkɔ ne nkyɛnsan se yenim se ni akwa kan nipa ne san so kwa yi ama ama akwamukafo akwakwachire yakunyen na eno anam so ama eneyi Ora Thomas Nifio Okan wano aye Ghana Air Force commander wapanyipa no ade atodwa ya watchro se wo hwemo pa no a wo man ne yenya kwantabuo mapa yenya se bibia mu no yebema neoma mu ada wo ehan betom no mamu no anya won mo ntiase ade afa ye bambom wo se bio abambofo no won mo hwe yenso no wo nya kaka motobi won mo nhye bi ana fenso kurampo no wo mo nimu no yemfa bibia ndredra won mo se abambofo Ghana fo hu wo mo a yebedwane na mumu no e wose wo mo giye nyina wa tu na ye hu se Ghana bambofo no wankasa no wo mu kura ye mu wo mo ka ho bi no man no ya somdwe eda so anya sade a ye bambom nsam ebekoso atoape ebra wo mo nyamfa Thomas Nifio kai wakasa no ne ensam chro ni na no pochicheku otwe bi brace
reminds us that stronger security outcomes are not achieved through resources alone. They depend equally on the quality of the institutions that manage these resources. For this reason, conversations about defense governance deserve a central place in discussions about peace and security. Too often, governance and security are treated as separate issues. In reality, they are deeply interconnected. The effectiveness of any armed force rests not only on these operational capabilities, but also on the strength of the systems that support decision-making, resource management, oversight, and accountability. Professionalism, integrity, and public trust are strategic assets that cannot be glossed over. They contribute directly to operational readiness, institutional legitimacy, and national resilience. This is where the Government Defense Integrity Index.
I was aware Ghana Air Force Commander Ora Thomas Nifio Okai and Yaten and Nana or Ponchichiku and a diamond boy eba esom ye yatwa and some so efriha.
We any na enwa no. National Democratic Congress NDC amonyoko nim se omo founder former President Jerry John Rawlings, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings. Na wodi atudwa na yenim se wofrim na papa enkote ase a nyame adoma nkadwo ada en obenya 79 years emfie edioson enkono na NDC amanyoko no se omo ni JJ Rawlings Foundation kabom na ne 79 birthday no party no omo founder kese no omo yedwumadie bi ede ahye na nimonyam etiedi eda so no from revolution to fourth republic the Rawlings legacy omo se dwumadie be koso NDC headquarters na Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings we founder kese ede ma NDC amanyoko mo constitution crowd ni moja na eso ano no anopa no nkono na wo mo kai ne mpanifo kukudam ene be dwumadie na se bi wo mampanyi dada o mampanyi na wote adwaso yi wo beba His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sanso ena keynote speakers no bi lawyer Chachuchi Kata omonso ho omodi omani monyam beta kire bi Dr. Kwesi Oponfosu former minister for local government and current board chairman Edema Ghana Investment Promotion Center as well as former minister for information national security Kofi Totobi Kwachi omunyina ewo ho a empanifo kukudam so be wanse woton safre womunyina NDC kedes ahodo supporters nyina se womonhye nso se Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings a founder kese ema NDC amanyoko no anyame yadoma juadan kote ase a enkobenya 79 years no wo mo ye dwumadi sunku bi di ama no ewo NDC headquarters a Owura Godwin Akugan a wo ye deputy national communication officer ene de nensa ahye ase
Kratai efri assembly member wono oti adwaso ewo bosomefre ho na wase wane ni mpanimfo na aka wo mutam ase ani setwe entini DCE eka ho bi district chief executive officer ya wono owa bosomefre ho na nensa ehwase ononyafo Charles Apiaku bi wase na watwe ba ko ni mu no abusua sa obekai a amane afiri ho ba ye na munya da kora bosomefre ho no wo mu kire mu se galamse pit bi na echesa ABENA yedimu gold ni nyina awie na ada ne mpan ye nsuo ahyemu ma maame bi koto mu ana ne ba ehye na chie na ya reho sampa wo mu kire mu kura sa maame no wo kwakwa sansuo ni bi esan se nsuo no ani efe kakra ntra ya na wo mu ese BDC niema ne ade ana esan se na fom agugu nsuo agugu kakra nti na fom ayetro wotie ho ne pa no wone ne ba wo hye na chie ana na ba ko ka ho bi a ono no de ni finhia be se enum konsia so no de no gina kokko so enti ne maame ne ba no hye na chiri nyina ne tonsuo nim na this is same weka ho a aye baako kyere miensa emfinhia mienu mu ayam prensa enti no empanimfo kasa kyere mu se wo msrada nipa kura asa garamsa mena ne ya ne dia no mpase ye kyere no esa se ya nche wo mu ade bia wo mbe ye se ya ade akuade hye ne nsam ni.
We have so many abandoned pits. Almost a year I came to meet most of the abandoned pits we did Bosomefrehom. And some people have lost their life. At least I could mention maybe 2 or 3 people who have lost their life through this abandoned pits. In recent time, even last week, a lady fell into one of the abandoned pits, of which the intent was that he wanted to go and fetch water to cook. And it was rather unfortunate. It was rain, and then the place was so sleepy, and he fell into the pit, including a young child, and the 2 of them lost their life. So the case has been reported to the police command, of which the one who did that is now choosing to be arrested, so that you make sure proper work will also carry out within the district and also serve as a deterrent to others.
Entini senne wobi edigara na wienu agya na to amansu akwatale mu se ma na sade hye kototom wuni a kyere no ekena wobi aye bi a kyere no a sabi mpraduasa ofoforo nkwankwankwa ye biewu wobi di wi obekata so entini disi mekyere mesini abankrache ya wono wawa Bosomefre ho empeswa no eso onanyafo Charles apia kubi wono ne kasa yenti oni kuro no wasa peten ye ne dia no wasa aban ye kye no ti sa IGP atede a na ya tonkra no.
Na presiding member ya wono Doma East District Assembly ho no kwa ya Doma East District Coordinator and a Director the Ma Youth Employment Agency no won monyafo Allah na afi Isaac na wakase was a wasa ya danso na egu abanten na wonfie astrotef no a mrabi atwamu mrasebe dwani won monyafo Paul aprakuchum be Maria se wo ye no se contract no wode man no enkrata bia ni hu enkrata bia ni hu na won mo chini ya sanse ada won mo afe ne fanie ama astrotef no kura no eya tete apro enom yesa ne wo mo kɔ na contract no ba bi ode ma contract no won ma kɔ contractor kro no won ma kɔ akɔsere no sa da woro ma wo mra meye na amuo ma maburu no so ani ntumi nkeka wo mo kɔ ye a wo mo se hwe bibia se ni wonom enkrata bia no won mo wa edi adanse ye se won mo nyafo twum ba ma de ade ne ma contract na aka wo bi ama yera Alan Isaac etro se amanyofo duro bi aya mo me yenwene temamufo ho se se ye ba ye temamufo na ehunu amane o won so afra akonya so enti duro bi a aya na ye pa akonya nti ne ye de ne yoma dada mabunu na afa ye gye won ho nsam tumi no aya na ha adwene e wo kwan bi so pa.
Edru say ye ba betoa ba me ya manyuni yenjai say ye de niema bi ekata niema bi so se ne yatimani ni bi wo say ye ya de nti bentoa ba maye me nua me ka kire o say assembly ho ye tu ho krata funtam enkrata wo ho nyina ye wu contract documents bia e kire say ye de astrotefo ama contract ye wura regional minister afuntam no office ho nyina contract document bia ni ho say ye de project na ma contract be the Afrigana Gas, be the GMPC Foundation. But I'm telling you, me and Kasa as a presiding member, at the whole picture and video, Aqua Ghana Gas, when document be anywhere you will, Marco GMPC Foundation, war computer or hunina, but no knowing say, yeah, Baba to a Bentino, and as I say, the force, and the near maybe the Ansaka, near maybe my mouth will say, yeah, Juma, no more Jinaswa Twaba, Eddie Amaye, while Brabham for paying CP pass one son a contract bia.
Na what you know ana when monyamfo Allah na afi Isaac baba to aso atro se nei mrashaba dwani o wonmo onimonyamfo ama awusuwa wadokrampo ne hema pa aguakwamu ehwese astrotef no wombetimi awie
ya maame MP Obatampara Husua atuhu anamon adokura na assembly na ye se yehwe na se ye nya nyame adon ya papa yi se John Dramani Mahama ese project bia ba na dada na sha ase a aka wuram anti manya ne contract agreement wo ho no school adani bi ni wo ha assembly na start ya oye ba we no contract document bia ni ho ti se wo ka se wo sori ya wo de koma contractor nipa na no wo ye no so be sori abade akoko ti se nipa na oye contract no ye pena mana ba ne ye ne na tenase ye de se adwumadi ni nyina hye minister because project no na ye central government project ya assembly de ntimi ntua saa astrotef no ye ntimi nye ho ka ne so na school ada na aka ne de ye we regional minister atu saa na mo ni nyina mate se nyame ya adom a JMPC fo no ene Ghana gas fo ni nyina no ye maame MP ene regional minister contact yo mo empo se omo ka se contract ne nye be ne be de ma ya assembly no ye be fa ato ye ho so ne ye de legacy project sika na eba no ye de aye e de amamanfo no.
NHYIRA Tenankaya presiding member Yowodoma East District Assembly one for Alan Afi Isaac.
We ansana yebekwa mono ne dia mono nsem amamono yemfa sinema endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboaten ene ne dom se wodi wani kire ho a na kire se ene free health screening ekoso wose Father's Day yekosia da ejanom da eti de obetimi ayede abo ejanom se na wo ye bema ne branches ni nyina fo ni kire ho wo kona se nipa ne dɔɔso na ye wi a ye de obehye wo kina enti ekina de wo kwa a wo mo a ya anye wo de no mbeto aso kina ene kura no mo ye pa eti se wo nkran ha fa wani kire Spentese kwano so ye fra ba bi shell signboard e ho na ne headquarters no ewo Kumasefo monko kono ma bo hia sabre ya amutie sompa kase boy monko endpoint homeopathy clinic ewo kono ma bo hia ho ene wo ye free health screening e de ama ejanom na ejanom da ayede mamokwasi aduana anum etifo ni kire ho wo betimi afre Dr. Duboaten ene ne dom na wa kire o ma kire wo kwan ne ne wo beye e say eye endpoint ema wo yare eye 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 02742343321 02742343321 endpoint homeopathy clinic ya bawo ba aidimpom de ebrewo hajia special local foods osidi aduane papa na wanya kwatenten wo hwehwe wo mo ha chokwan so ene wo mo ben transition ho no a washing bay no ase ho ena face wo ko DVLA office no a ekwa asoman na ano ho no a ena hajia special local foods wo se nzu oto enya afe na akwato banche ne bodi aba be wo fufu mo obi nwoma onedi obi be wa mo odi hajia be wa mo odi kodi fufu ni abenkwan kodi fufu ni nkatenkwan ene abunabunu eye hajia special local food ana kodi banku ene nkrumankwan ana tilapia no a ye de makwa hyehye nani ase de akakaduro ne garlic no ye de awura nanum no oh guy wo bo se tilapia ne da ho na ya tama akakaduro ne garlic ne makwa ye de awura nanum ene de bia hyehye nani ase kotutu nani ne newe ewo hajia special local food na enkoyie pa ana toza afi wachi jollof ho nyina hajia special local food frɛ no ma delivery guy ne nya busy 024635991 024635991 kasa natural mineral water abodu nso enso kroje eno ana wo ho ebafia ha bedi dwuma ye de serve wo mo enkrofo kasa for God and country so Rhapsody ni nyina SOMPA delight enso de serve wo mo no eye kasa natural mineral water ye ntonso wo abonten kasa adawromanti eti se wo ye party wo ye yi a enso papa wo hia eye kasa natural mineral water dispensers si ha na nyasem ketewa ni strum ha Dr. Boaten ma me de Boaten doctor aka no ho na edita Boaten omra nan ensuo ye nyina ye hwie bi enom eye kasa natural mineral water eti SOMPA akra ye nom a onso num bi a eye yie Casaloma Ventures for na aba wondi edebre wo betimi anya sachet ne bottled water anasa dispensers frɛ wo mo taifa Bok Hospital achiwo eye 0206469430 0206469430 kasa natural mineral water abodu nsuo eno no ye home so ye ba ye bekwa mo no ne de de aka nyina ato so 21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem woje ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a gi 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro, and the best of your no the machine account. Aya Sabia, Yarabia, which me the corner, my dear Bakua, woman GD Womupano, Aya sciatica, and a stroke, so the qua, diabetes, and hypertension, near Deniade. Ghana have baby our more, and crying her, say you were Tantra Hill runabout. So Woofy and crying air bar. You were one sunny faso, Uframa some man so ne bansua, one sabun kumso, a hona will be huye. Fred 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesati Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim enam ne nsaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teach us SOMPA First Service ewo homa yen enye TV program keke eye bra osoro ne asasi hia eye bra onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye.
TV Emma Akituapa.
Abusia SOMPA dia market ya pa ya da se watwen yan mi age aboafo nkrato aba ne ye kwakọ wie kase no e wo bi man so ne abumu komu se epen na US na fe Iran ye nyina ye nim se mpanimfo eye se wo mpese wo mu hia na fe wo mu di kasa ho dwumadie bi na agya wo mu epe kwan tenani a wo betumi afa so na asomdue etumi aba entino wo mu nyina ye se mpanimfo wo be hia nyina no enkomkwa ko hia e wa Switzerland memo nanso opani a wono ye vice president e US JD Vance wonu chirem so wo delay too much ebra wo mo share so mo nyina be kwakọ hia no delay dodo enti ama panimfo a postpone na chese ye tu di ahada na krata yi echirem say die enti a ema wono mo tu share dai a wo mo susu se JD Vance ni delay wo delay ye nti e na bibia e kosa no aya bra US for e dropping one naval blockage a wamu adequacy Strait of Hormuz wo na said ye nyina ye ni mu se wamu blockage yesenka wamu emaship fufuro bia emfa afa ho ne de keka ho no na e wase wamu US for nso di bi kosi wo afei wamu so makwakọ yi nyina eye talks ya mekire kasa ho a wanam ahyase a wanam eka efa ne set peace betumi eweni na empanimfo sei na watwe baako ne mu a eba wieye no enkofo bi kọ bombe Lebanon wamu bi a friend Hezbollah na ne nyina mu no wamu hwe mu ase ye Israel for wamu ada kọ bombe ye na amuru mu ha wamu chemse nipa makomako 18 ene wamu ti na nanamonse do enti ne said wamu chemu se Israel for etimi kodi sabi dream a ente se na se wamu nyina epe asomdua bua anumu na wamu gusu kasa susu yampa na motimi akoye seidi a ene na anhwa White House say enu ti na JD Vance wo sheda edile ye no enti anhwa kora no wankokora na ne nyina mu no White House sign the krata ba ye a wamu chiremu say kasa na ogusu a wamu kasa no amukakop tena se pote no wamun kan wie enti ni sasam ni yan kan wie yesi da na bidi kan kwasensan esi yaje atum ye ba behia enti ni sa ne yan kan wie di a ene ni ye hyeda dile ni nyina e wo krata yi mu a ene wie yada ne ye kire e de ma enti technical discussions ya nanka e ba be koso between US and Iran no JD Vance delay yinti wonom etu e de hyeda foforo ye hwe si ebetimi aba sosusu ya ampadea emra ne krabia ene be kire
Kasiebo no esi na ensemu a yede esommo ene awie dedi makotene bi ene se Honorable Haruna Idrisu eso aban ni Google akasa srebe ye local language no yede bi be Google ho na ebeboa ama ngomesua akonkan ewa abefo kwanso no yetimide esua de ewum
sanso ano yeko hotima ntemore hosem wasia nam so mani pamiensa wo mafiri mu a enkuna prepra no yekofa de besom
Onyenyefo Francis Asenso Abuachi e bantiba mrahye bedwani wode atudwa kire mu sei abadada no bo ne homode pa ensu yiri ye yiri afibia wo mayim no wode sika bese 540 million Ghana cedis ene shemu
NDC amonyoko no senyame ya adwada nanka mampanyi dada flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallins etiasia no anya mfie eduoson enkono enu nti NDC headquarters wo nyina ehia na wo mo ahye ne monyam
awokase boy mote si ebo amane yesa Ghana ade hye bi ma won ma scholarship isuan de wo UK abuchima mu wo yo kira wo mo ye ne yakobro wo mo ama won mo abomu amane
Dr. Sylvia Amadosu eye Ghana ni wa ya judge empanimfo sa so ani ese United Nations won mo ekwato aba no ya yini si wo American International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea ho na we eye history edema Africa and Ghana
ye ko ye ni medom kuma wo mrahye bedwam nso abamane se aban sika wo se wo di C 24-hour market no won tam na won fa nkoboa agenda 111 hospitals no a mampanyi dada enwie no
ye wa Canada wo hene Japan so abamane wo kase bom MPP fo won ma fo mafofro nya no sokora anya sa de ye nteye no Ghana fo beti
abusia ye ko obi man so na mpanimfo akire mu se US ni Iran wamo ehyiemu a wamo yes wamo kohia e wa Switzerland no eni mpanimfo bi e ka ho a asundue buomu na nka wamo pe no JD Vance US Vice President delay yenti yetu e de ahyeda foforo
NSMP kan we no ho ne de sum se kase bo free SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ye de asedama endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboaten ne dom ene free health screening e kosoma ejanom na kwasi ada Father's Day no akoso yie kama. Haji special local food kasa natural mineral water. Na kase bo free SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no. E fa ye headquarters e wokoma se SOMPA 93.1 FM sanso ena adam for radio Paris France. Doma FM Doma Hinkro 100.7 en Kranza 90.7 Techimai SOMPA 106.1 Sunyana SOMPA 98.9 Kingdom Mankasim 106.1 FM Decoder Subebia Radio on SOMPA FM your Facebook page no SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra and na YouTube yes SOMPA FM live na SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra live on so obenya ewo ho your website here www.sompaonline.com Kanesh Urban Radio so ewo Kanesh market wo mun so FABA yeni e de kaseboy esum wo wie eyemme die nyame ehira no AKOSUA ABOAGYE obetimi so afrem AKOSUA nhira me adult children
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA KODIE boaten ena
ABENA ADEPA KWOFIE
yes sorry sui na SOMPA delight with Abna Ruthie and EKOSUA SOMPA Accra na SOMPA Kumasi so de na ya sewa what the SOMPA nkomo promise no na wono nso e de ato so koso a na nkranza ene techiman ene sunyane nso e de omo de aka ho yede mo na ase